We now have a whole toolbox: impute, scale, encode, engineer. And one iron rule from last lesson: fit every step on the training data only. Keeping that straight by hand is exhausting and error-prone. So let's automate it with a scikit-learn pipeline. Here's the messy way. Fill the missing values, then scale, then encode, then finally fit the model. 4 steps. And you have to run all 4 on the training data. Remember every fitted number, then repeat the exact same 4 on the test data. Forget one, or recompute a number on the test set, and you've silently leaked. It happens constantly. A pipeline bundles those steps into a single object. You list the transforms in order, and put the model last. Now the whole sequence, impute, scale, encode, predict, behaves like one estimator that you fit and predict with, just once. When you call fit on the pipeline with the training data, watch what happens. The data flows down the chain. Each transform learns its numbers and passes the transformed data along. The imputer learns its fill, the scaler learns its mean and standard deviation, the encoder learns its categories. And at the very end, the model trains on the fully prepared data. One call does it all. Then you call predict on the test data. This time the transforms don't learn anything new. They simply apply the numbers they already learned from training. The same fill, the same mean, the same categories, then the model makes its prediction. Fit learns, predict only applies. Exactly the discipline from last lesson, enforced automatically. This is why pipelines matter so much. Because the fitting is locked inside the pipeline, leakage becomes almost impossible. It's especially powerful with cross-validation. Each fold refits the transforms on just that fold's training rows. Never peeking at the held-out part. Doing that correctly by hand is a nightmare. The pipeline does it for free. In code it's beautifully short. You build a pipeline by listing named steps, a scaler, then a model. Then pipe.fit on the training set, and pipe.predict on the test set. That's the entire workflow, clean and leak-proof by construction. So a pipeline chains your transforms and model into one object. Fit learns every step's numbers from training. Predict just applies them to new data. The payoff is huge: cleaner code, and leakage prevented by construction. In the final lesson we'll put it all together. A reproducible split feeding a real pipeline, start to finish.